Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you this short powered lift away upright vacuum cleaner. Now, Mr. Flying Cheesy Chips said that he prefers short over Dyson. I've done one on the Dyson recently, but today I'm going to be showing you my mum's. So let's get into it. Right here you have a 10 meter power cord on this one, which is quite long. So let's get it unraveled. Let's plug it in and we'll get cleaning. It's in a very, very awkward place. So there it is, all plugged in. So to recline it into the vacuuming position, there's no button to press, you just put your foot there and pull it back. Now let's get a bit of vacuuming done. I'll just swap on here, guys. Oh, I must point out them LED lights. And so we'll put it into handheld mode. Just press that button there, and it will release this. And now you draw your heart to these places. Well, that's about to conclude my video of this short power lift away upright vacuum cleaner. I will be having a few more vacuums that I might be doing soon enough. To remove the hose, you just squeeze that tab there, I think. This one here at the back. I cannot remove it, so yeah, that's it. So I'll see you again very soon. Bye for now.